Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. RX 550 gaming OC12 2G. So search on this graphic card after this website. Then click on the product. After that click on this model number of your graphic card. Then click on support. Select the operating system Windows 7, 10, 11. All operating system installation process. Same AMD driver. This is version, this is size, date, and this is download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. It will take some time and depend about your internet speed. And it is completed. Then click on three dot and then click on download. Then it is completed. Then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that, this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that, this is installing. It will take some time and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system.